Good evening, good evening. I want to make tour. Itutour ko po kayo dito sa aking bahay. Yan. Ang aking mga countryside house. Yan. I have a fresh flowers. See? It's the very, very fresh flowers. Ganda po siya. That is my kitchen.